Hello everyone, and I know it's been a while since I've last posted a video, but today I'm bringing you an update on my console I've been working on. It's recently kind of turned into an operating system project pretty much that I'm making in GameMaker. But I'm going to show you the updates today because I pretty much overhauled a lot of it and it's at version 2.0 now. So the login screen, we'll go ahead and go through this. Okay, so this is the new interface and I'm gonna full screen it just so you guys can see it better. Quite a few more commands have been added, a whole interface has been updated. So on the left side you see all the system processes, which would just be the objects controlling it all, and their IDs listed here. Your network, and whenever you create a server, so I'll create a server real quick and I'll show you what happens when you do that. See, this new interface also pops up so you can input everything you need to. And then you go ahead and connect, and over here it says running servers port 7676, so you know you're running a port or a server on that port, I mean. And it all updates in real time except your speed, because I'm still having issues with that. That basically just sends a packet to a server close to you and sends back the time, and it gets the difference and you get like a millisecond in speed. There's buttons up here, you can click those. They don't do anything yet, but they just disable the console as of now, so there'll be other stuff in there. And over here, this related pane, so if you start typing in a command related to files, all the file commands will pop up and you can go ahead and go through that. A few more updates. As you'll notice, whenever you type stuff in the console, there's only the character or the defining character printed next to the command, not upon every line. So if I open a file now in here, first I'll just create one. Okay, so now when we open a text file in the console, it doesn't display the defining character next to every single line, so you don't have to worry about reading the file incorrectly or whatever, having extra characters in there. And it also displays the file size of the file that you're opening. So pretty much a lot of the framework's been overhauled, so there's more dynamic notifications now. So like the system alert will come up and then you just press enter to continue, and that will come up for a lot of different things. So that's basically it for the console update, and this is probably the last video I'm doing on my current setup. My next setup, it's a MSI gaming laptop, and I'll be having 2 extra monitors attached to it on both sides for maximum productivity. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want tutorials on how to make certain things you see in this, just leave a comment down below or send me a private message or something, and I'll get a video made for you. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.